Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey into the extraordinary realm of artificial intelligence. Tonight's tale is about unlocking the magic within, and at the heart of it is Google's Gemini Pro API. Picture a stage bathed in the soft glow of innovation. As the curtains rise, AI-generated text and images dance in perfect harmony, showcasing the seamless blend of Gemini Pro. This is not just technology. This is a canvas of creativity, where possibilities stretch as far as your imagination can take you. Transitioning gracefully, we step into a realm of mystery, the Google AI Studio. Imagine a mystical gateway where cutting-edge AI models await your exploration. This is not just a platform, it's a portal that empowers you to turn your dreams into reality with unprecedented ease. Now, the plot thickens as we delve into the enchanting world of Python SDK integration. Envision a symphony of code snippets and visuals, orchestrating a development environment that enables you to generate text responses and interact with images using the Vision version of Gemini Pro. This is not just coding, it's a symphony, and you are the conductor of innovation. The spotlight turns to safety and control. Picture an interface adorned with safety settings, a stronghold at Google ensuring robust features to prevent the generation of harmful or inappropriate content. This is not just technology, it's a guardian, allowing you complete control over the model's output for responsible and ethical AI usage. The narrative takes a turn as we engage in captivating dialogues with Gemini Pro. Picture an AI companion ready to understand and respond to your queries in a natural and engaging manner. This is not just conversation, it's a connection, a friendship with the future of AI. Imagine the stage transforming to unveil Google's latest innovation, the embedding model. A powerful tool emerges, opening new avenues for tasks like document retrieval and clustering. This is not just innovation, it's a revelation, an opportunity for efficient organization and analysis of vast amounts of information. As our story approaches its climax, an action call resonates through the scenes. Picture a computer screen gleaming with API access information, inviting you to dive into the world of Gemini Pro API. This is not just an invitation, it's a call to action. A limited time opportunity awaits. Access groundbreaking technology free of charge. Unleash your creativity, explore new possibilities, and witness the transformative power of AI firsthand. In conclusion, my friends, tonight's performance was not just a presentation, it was an invitation to become a part of something extraordinary. Gemini Pro is not just a tool, it's a companion in your journey into the future. As the curtains close, I leave you with the inspiration to embark on your own adventure, where the magic of artificial intelligence awaits. Thank you, and may your dreams be as boundless as the possibilities within Gemini Pro.